Welcome to Day 7, the final day of our 7-day Fluency Challenge. This is it, the moment of truth. We've spent the week preparing for this exact moment.
That's right. We've learned to think in English, we've practiced phrasal verbs, we've corrected our pronunciation, and we've learned to use power words and fillers. Now it's time to put all of these skills together in a single final test.
We're going to give you a topic, and you'll have 2 minutes to speak. Your only goal is to speak for the full 2 minutes without stopping. The real test happens after you finish listening to this episode.
That's the challenge. Just keep talking. It's okay to use your new filler words. It's okay to make a mistake. The point is to show yourself that you can do it. Are you ready? Okay, Sarah, reveal the topic.
The topic for your final test is describe a perfect day for you.
So, there you have it. The final challenge is waiting for you. Now, before you hit pause and do the test, let us give you 5 quick tips to help you succeed.
Tip number 1, don't aim for perfection. Your goal is to keep talking. It is better to make a grammar mistake and continue speaking than to stop completely because you can't remember a word.
Tip number 2, think in topics, not sentences. Instead of planning full sentences, just think about a few key points you want to talk about. For this topic, maybe you'll talk about waking up, having breakfast, going for a walk, and watching a movie.
Tip number 3, use a filler word. If you get stuck, use one of the words we learned on day 6. Just say, or, it's difficult to say. This will give your brain a few extra seconds to find the next idea.
Tip number 4, slow down. It's okay to speak a little more slowly than usual. Taking a deliberate pause can make you sound thoughtful, not hesitant. Don't rush.
And finally, tip number 5, tell a story. Instead of just listing things, try to connect them with a story. First, I'd wake up late, and then I'd have a big breakfast. After that, I would go to the park with my friends. This will help you keep going for the full 2 minutes.
Congratulations on completing the challenge. You've learned so much this week. Now, it's time to put everything you've learned into practice.
The point of this challenge was not perfection, but progress. Go back and listen to yourself. You'll see that you're more confident, your speech is smoother, and you're thinking more in English than you were just a week ago.
This is just the beginning of your journey to fluency. Thank you for joining us for this challenge. We hope it has given you the tools and the confidence you need to keep going.
That's a wrap for Day 7 and the end of our 7-day Fluency Challenge. But don't go anywhere. Join us in our next series, The Deconstruction of Native English, where we'll demystify idioms, phrasal verbs, and collocations.
See you next time.